for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The third product on this list is the PHALANX RP 8620. The PHALANX RP 8620 is a standout tool designed to simplify and speed up your painting projects. Powered by a 780 watts motor, it delivers an impressive 1.1 liters per minute paint flow, making it 5 times faster than traditional rollers. With this sprayer, you can achieve a smoother and more refined finish in less time. Perfect for house painting or tackling DIY projects. Equipped with high-efficiency airless HVLP technology, the PHALANX RP 8620 minimizes overspray by up to 55%, ensuring less paint wastage and a more even application. This feature enhances control and provides a consistent finish, whether you're working with water-based or oil-based paints. The lightweight, compact design allows it to spray directly from own or 5-gallon containers, and the adjustable flow knob gives precise control over output. With its 3,600 psi pressure and 25-foot flexible hose, large-scale painting tasks are made easier without frequent interruptions. The sprayer is ETL certified, underscoring its reliability and safety. It's versatile enough to handle both small touch-ups and large-scale projects, with a recommended annual use of up to 125 gallons. Whether you're refreshing a room or painting an entire house, the PHALANX proves to be an essential tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Despite its many advantages, the sprayer requires careful maintenance, particularly with the inlet check ball, which may occasionally need manual adjustment. It's also best suited for experienced users, as beginners may find the high-pressure system challenging to control.